We're going to make some vanilla ice cream. A really easy home recipe. Only takes a few minutes. Okay, we're going to start with 2.5 cups of heavy cream. Two and a half cups of heavy cream, you put it on the mixer and you start whipping it until it turns into whipped cream with some heavy peaks. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Quarter of a teaspoon of kosher salt. All right, let's check it to see if it's got the soft peaks. Yeah, that's not too thick. You want not too thick yet, so it's called soft peaks. That's good. So at this point, we're going to add the 14-ounce can of condensed sweetened milk, or sweetened condensed milk. So we add that in. All right, so we added the 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. We put it back on the whip. All right, it's almost there. I just want to scrape the sides and the bottoms, make sure we get everything's mixing in there, and it appears to be mixing in pretty good. Still too soupy. Gotta get it a little bit thicker, so we'll whip it up some more until it gets nice, a little bit thicker. There you go, there's the thickness of it. Whipped up nice, thick, heavy peaks. So we're going to transfer this into a container I can put in the freezer. And we're going to freeze it for 6 to 8 hours overnight, I guess. I took this ice cream out of the freezer about 10 minutes ago. It was hard as a rock, which you could tell it had a lot of good fat content. So let's see if we can scoop some of this. It's pretty hard still. Looks really good. Chocolate sauce on it. Let's give it a taste here. No. It is so good because I put extra vanilla in it, and the vanilla taste comes through like no store-bought ice cream. You could take this and you can mix anything you want in it. Maple walnut ice cream, add some maple syrup with walnuts, chop up some M&Ms, some Oreo bits, put it in before you freeze it, and you can get any flavor you want. Cut up strawberries. It is a delicious ice cream, all natural, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me and also allows you to see my varied content.